Hello everyone, my name is Oluwatobi and welcome to this YouTube short. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. Today's video is going to be on how to schedule messages on Telegram. Let's proceed. I'm going to tap a word now, hello. Then I'll hold the send button down and select schedule message, and I'll select the time or day that is suitable for me. Let's say 1940, and I'll select send to that 1940 because that's the time I want to send the message. You can also decide to send a message when you're active or when you're online on Telegram. So you've got two different options, but today I'm going to select send today at 1940. I've selected that and it says scheduled for today. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you later. Bye.